न्याय का सबके लिए, आकाश न्याय का सबके लिए, उल्लास न्याय का सबके लिए, विश्वास न्याय का सबके लिए। अपने इस हिंदुस्तान पर हक हमारा भी तो है, इंसाफ के इस आशिया पर हक हमारा भी तो है। एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है, एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है।
Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, a 45 days long legal awareness program, is a first of its kind initiative to create legal awareness and access to justice for all. Justice Uday Lalit, chairperson of NALSA, himself visited 12 states to see the program run by the state legal authorities.
Various schemes have been floated by NALSA in last 25 years. For instance, schemes to empower women, schemes to take care of mentally challenged persons, schemes to ensure that the education of children in juvenile justice homes and correction homes is taken care of. It is essentially that people are not even aware of the fact that they are entitled as a matter of right under the Constitution to free legal aid. So therefore, first and foremost, the difficulty which we need to encounter is that we must take this flame of awareness all throughout the country.
To take this vision forward, NALSA has been doing door-to-door awareness program under various schemes, ensuring that the marginalized communities are aware of their legal rights.
तो आपकी ज़रूरत के लिए प्रॉपर पैसे, खाना पीना, रहना, कपड़े, ये सब चीज़ें जो प्रोवाइड नहीं की जाती हैं, वो भी डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस के, जैसे कि अगर शादी में देखा जाए तो ये सब चीज़ें स्टार्ट होती हैं दहेज से।
When we speak of marginalized sections of the society, one of the largest component is women. Women constitute half the population. But when we think in terms of the advantages of the community, the assets of the community, and whether the contribution of women is to the level of 50%, we find it completely lacking. Essentially because of lack of empowerment amongst the women. Education becomes the most crucial factor.
Acceptance is a key word, and every person needs to be accepted. And a special child needs to be accepted within the society. Certain programs are needed for such children in bigger schools and bigger colleges too, where they can be accepted in society.
The need of the hour is to assimilate differently abled children and children from marginalized sections of the society into our education system.
The 45 days legal awareness and outreach program has been tremendously successful. I have personally seen the success stories. I have been to different locations of the country, and I can say that the entire team, National Legal Service Authority, the state legal service authorities, the district bodies, the taluka bodies, everybody is working together, and the success is seen even at the farthest of the locations in the country. And I have interacted with many of the beneficiaries. So legal services to the needy and poor people is the most satisfaction story for me. I'm extremely satisfied and very happy for that.
Popita lives in a remote village in Tripura and is a NALSA beneficiary.
আমি নালসা অফিসে গেছি, তারা মানে সবাই আমারে ওইখান থেকে একটা সরকারি উকিলও দেওয়া হয়েছিল, তারা আমারে অনেক হেল্প করছে। তা আমি কইছি আর একটু আমার সময় লাগবে, তারপর আমার বাড়ির গার্জিয়ান যা কইব তা হইব।
Now, we are in the months of festivals like Deepavali, Dasara. In Supreme Court and in the judicial fraternity, we are in the celebration and festivals. 2nd October, we have started the awareness campaign for almost 7 weeks, which is going to be concluded on 14th of November. 26th and 27th, we are celebrating the constitutional days. Thanks to Brother Justice Lalit reviving and upholding the flag of the National Legal Service Authority in the skies of this country and creating hope and ray for the needy people of the country who deserves the legal aid.
लाचारों को न्याय मिलेगा, दुखियारों को न्याय मिलेगा, कमजोरों को न्याय मिलेगा, मजलूमों को न्याय मिलेगा। अपने इस हिंदुस्तान पर हक हमारा भी तो है, उम्मीदों के इस गुलसितां पर हक हमारा भी तो है। एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है, एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है।
Mahatma Gandhi's famous words are, "The dream is to wipe out tears from every eye of an Indian." Sum and substance of what NALSA wants to achieve is Vishwas Sabke Liye, Nyay Sabke Liye.
NALSA